I welcome you to a small presentation on University of Mumbai's Master Degree in Emotional Intelligence and Life Coaching, which is integrated with International Coaching Federation's Advanced Coach Training PCC level coach certification. The program has been founded on three pillars. The first pillar is development of your life skills like emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, tools and techniques of neuro-linguistic programming, conversational intelligence, cognitive neuroscience, as well as Vedic wisdom. The second pillar of this program is to develop your managerial, leadership and entrepreneurship competencies, including competencies such as decision making and global citizenship. The third pillar of this program is founded on developing you as a successful, competent and wise coach. This program provides you ample opportunities to do coaching practice and internship with global coaches. There are multiple avenues for you once you pass out from this program. Either you can become a business and executive coach if you have a corporate background, or you can become a relationship coach and focus on one of the niches like marital coaching, child and adolescent coaching, or parenting coaching, or family coaching. If you want to focus on emotional intelligence coaching and help society in mental wellness, you can become emotional intelligence coach. If you want employment after this program, then you can look for employment in L&D profession and you can become internal coach, wherein Master My Life will support you in placement. Program features: in addition to University of Mumbai's Master Degree certification, you will get 3 certifications from ICF, PCC level certification, Emotional Intelligence Coach certification and Neuro-Linguistic Programming Coach certification. The program is 12 months online blended learning plus 8 months of coaching project practice. You will get full support in establishing your own coaching business. During the program, you will be participating in global coaching circles and establish your global connects. You will get a personal mentor. The learning ecosystem of the program is flexible. You will get 24/7 access to the learning management system portal. You can learn from anywhere, anytime. Although you are expected to attend online live faculty sessions, you will also be supported with recordings of the live sessions in case you miss few of the sessions. You will get a very comprehensive master coach curated coach study guide which will help you during the programs as important notes, but also it will help you during your coach development journey after the program. You will get lifelong membership to Master My Life e-library as well as coaching circle. The last date of application is 13th August 2021. Eligibility: any graduate. Of course, you have to pass a written examination and interview. Fees of the program is 1.3 lakh rupees per semester, which you can pay in installments. You can also be supported with Earn While Learn scheme, wherein you will be provided with part-time job to support payment of the fees. If you want to know more, you can attend induction cum introduction of the program on 13th of August 2021 at 6 p.m. You can check the video description to get the Zoom meeting link as well as download the brochure of the program. For any further information, you can call us. Thank you.